Hello Manuel and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I'm going to be covering your website, the homepage, the Google Business Profile, and then something that we call backlinks. So let's start with your front page. Here I can see the hours of operation, the click to call button over here, the services that you offer, um, reasons why to work with you, uh, your experience, why people, what your customers are saying about you, and the testimonials as well, links to your social media accounts. So in general terms, it is actually a very nice website. The front page has very nice visuals. I really like it, and all of the green that you have. Some of the things that you could do, perhaps you could have the contact us form at the top. You have the free estimate button, but maybe you could have the contact us form. So just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. And also think about the amount of content. Right now, your homepage has 580 words. And if I look at two of your competitors, so we have Easy Grass, these guys have 1075 words, and American Artificial Grass, um, these guys have 924 words. So definitely an opportunity there for you to increase the amount of traffic and not just increase it. To be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1500 and 2000 words. So yes, increase more the content, but also throw in there buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came here to Google and I type in artificial grass Miami. And the first section that we're going to see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then you have the Google Business Profile. And the Google Business Profile here, it depends where you are located. So for example, in here, if you are in Miami, like in it, I mean, the area of influence is going to depend. It's the local search, and it's going to depend where your physical address is. But to rank here, you need three things. You need optimized and geo-tagged pictures, you need reviews, and Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you also need something that we call citations, which is basically to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile. The third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you first need a website that is responsive, that is secure, and that has the right content, and then you need something that we call backlinks, and here is where I found your two competitors. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool shows me the backend of a website, and I can see that yours has one external website that is directing traffic towards it through two backlinks. If I have a look at EasyGrass, these guys have 255 external websites with 1,200 backlinks, and American Artificial Grass, they have 15 referring domains with 51 backlinks. So basically what you want is that you want to have improve that backlink profile by adding links in external websites that are related to the services and to your niche, so that Google can verify and can give you extra credits for this, because that's the mechanism that Google has to identify which website is the most relevant one for the search that people are performing in their search engine. So that's what you want to signal to Google, that you are actually an authority in that particular topic. Now, here, your website is being found for 5 organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the search volume, so the number of times these keywords are searched for per month, and the position in which your website is appearing for those particular keywords. If I have a look at EasyGrass, these guys are being found for 1,800 organic keywords, and I can see what those keywords are in here, the volume, the search volume, and the position. So for Artificial Grass Miami, there is a search volume of 300 searches per month. And because they are in the first position, they were able to drive 101 visits to their website. So that's more than 30% of the traffic just for that particular keyword. And if you look at Artificial Turf Miami, the search volume is 200. And because they're in the first position, they were able to drive 65 65 visits. So yes, the same, a little bit over 30%. So basically what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those keywords with high search volumes, throw them in the content and as part of your website so that Google can rank you and can find you for those keywords. and then build that backlink profile so that you can rank at the top. And in that sense, your website is going to be in front of more potential customers. A percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to actually improve your website, and also please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.